How do I fix gurgling sound in sink?
Hello, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we'll tackle a common but annoying household issue: the mysterious gurgling sound your sink is making. This sound usually indicates a blockage or error in your pipes. Don't worry, we're here to show you step by step how to fix it, turning that gurgling frown upside down. Let's get right into it.
Why is my sink gurgling?
Before diving into the solutions, it's essential to understand the root cause. Your sink gurgles primarily because of a blockage or trapped air in the drain pipe, leading to abnormal air pressure. As the water drains, the air pushes through, creating that gurgling sound you hear. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and get to fixing.
Gathering the right tools.
Like any job, having the right tools makes all the difference. For this task, you'll need a plunger, a hand auger or plumbing snake, a bucket, rubber gloves. Ensure you have these at hand before proceeding.
Unclogging your sink using a plunger.
First off, let's start with the easiest method, using a plunger. 1. Fill the sink with enough water to cover the base of the plunger. 2. Place the plunger over the drain and press down to create a seal. 3. Push and pull on the plunger quickly for about 20 seconds. 4. Remove the plunger and check if the water drains normally. If the water drains without gurgling, congratulations. You've fixed the problem. If not, it's time to move to the next step.
Using a hand auger or plumbing snake.
If the plunger didn't do the trick, the clog might be further down the pipe. This is where your hand auger or plumbing snake comes in. 1. Start by removing the sink's P-trap, the curved pipe section beneath the sink. Put your bucket beneath it to catch any water spillage. 2. Insert the plumbing snake into the pipe and push it down until you meet resistance. 3. Crank the handle to break up the clog. 4. Once you feel the blockage is cleared, pull the snake out, replace the P-trap, and test your sink again.
When to call a professional?
If you've tried both methods and your sink still gurgles, it's probably time to call a professional plumber. This gurgling may be a sign of a more significant issue, like a problem in the vent pipe or main sewer line. Don't be discouraged. Remember, some problems require professional help, and there's no shame in that. And there you have it, folks. You now know how to tackle a gurgling sink and when it's time to call in the big guns. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, every DIY adventure makes you more knowledgeable and confident in maintaining your home. So, keep learning, keep improving, and until next time, happy DIYing!